Everyone, this is G Spandana representing from Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College, Bongir. I am here to explain you about the topic micromanipulator from the subject microbiology. What is micromanipulator? A micromanipulator is a device which is used to physically interact with a sample under a microscope. It is typically consists of an input joystick, a mechanism for reducing the range of movement, and an input section with the means of holding a micro tool to hold, inject, cut, or otherwise manipulate the object as required. Micromanipulators are usually used in conjunction with microscope. It is the method used in the isolation of pure culture technique. Manipulator method. Manipulator have been built which permit one to pick out a single cell from a mixed culture. This instrument is used in conjunction with a microscope to pick a single cell, particularly a microbial cell, from a hanging drop preparation. A micromanipulator have a micrometer adjustments by means of which its micropipette can be moved right and left, forward and backward, and up and down. A series of hanging drop of a dilute culture are placed on special sterile cover slip by a micropipette. Now a hanging drop is searched which contains only a single microorganism cell. This cell is drawn into the micropipette by gentle suction and then transferred a large drop of sterile medium on another sterile cover slip. When the number of cells increases in that drop as a result of multiplication, the drop is transferred to a culture tube having suitable medium. This yields a pure culture of the required microorganism. Next, advantages of micromanipulator. The advantage of these methods are that can be reasonably sure that the cultures come from a single cell and one can obtain strains within the species. Next, disadvantages of micromanipulator. Equipment is expensive, its manipulation is very tedious, it required a skilled operator. Thank you and Jai Hind.